G'day everybody, it's me again. I found this in the scrap bin. No door. Door switch wired in the on position permanently with a nail jammed in the hole. So whoever had it broke the door off and then just kept using it without a door. I don't know how efficient that would have been, but hey, it may have worked. Gonna do something nasty with the heating elements out of this one, I think. Fisher & Paykel dual care dryer. Now, oh, what a shame, somebody left the thermostat wired in. Oh, and like I said, there's the bypass door switch, dodgy. What am I going to do with this? Oh yeah, you're such greatly made machines that they hold the drum together with packing straps. Goddamn Chinese, dodgy. There's buckets of screws in the bottom of this. I'm guessing those for holding the motor. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to take out all the ones around the edge and see what happens. I won't bore you with it though. Okay, so I fought my way to the motor. Bit of slight modification to the casing. And what the hell, starter capacitor. It's hanging loose. Connections just open. Full of lint. There's no filter in it. Clever belt tensioning system though. Alrighty, dryer's not very happy with me. It's in a few pieces now. The drum out, and more lint on the floor, bloody hell. Plastic separated. Motor over there. I'll figure out some fun with that. Found this cool little hub. Grub screw assembly. Might be useful for something, some other project, if I can find a motor that fits it. Anyway, drums out, getting closer. Alright, so I got the elements out, and the book says to hook them up in series. I wonder if that's because they're 120 volt each. So, I'm going to give one of them full grunt, 240, straight up the gut. See how it likes it. Oh dear, I do believe some careless individual removed the thermal overload. Okay, here we go, it's isolated. All I need to do is plug it in and turn it on. Hey dog, what's up? Interesting. There could be a problem here. I'm gonna have to check this out, it's not drawing any. Okay, I'm gonna try again. That element appeared to be dead. Funnily enough. See if this one works. Oh yeah, she works. Drawing 14.3 amps at the moment. See, somebody had this bloody thing running. I can already see what happened. The elements are damaged. They're very damaged. I'll show you after I cook it. Or maybe I should show you during, before I cook it. If you see those marks there on the elements, that's where the drum's been rubbing on it. So that element's obviously gone open circuit because the drum rubbed through. Bad design. Oops, it's getting warm. Once again, this is a 120 volt element to 240 volts. Should pop itself nicely. Electric heater. Still drawing 13.5 amps. Ooh, pretty. Maybe I have to feed this one some 3 phase.